IELTS Speaking Part 2. Cue Card. A comprehensive step-by-step guide on creating a cue card to achieve a high score in IELTS targeting band 8 to 9. Don't skip any words or sentences if you really want a higher band score. Cue card topic. Describe a teacher who has influenced you in your education. Where you met them. What subject they taught you. What was special about them. And explain why this you so much person influenced. Pay attention. In column, learn how to structure ideas by creating a mind map first. Teacher. School name Mrs. Garcia. Sunshine School. Class 10th grade junior year. Subject taught English literature. Special qualities, friendly, approachable, knowledgeable, experienced, popular. Used interactive teaching methods, experienced and knowledgeable, well liked by students. Impact on you. Provided guidance and encouragement. Boosted self-confidence, made learning enjoyable. In my view, teachers are architects of intellect, shaping minds with wisdom's light. Their guidance plants seeds of knowledge, nurturing bright futures. So basically, I had a teacher in school days who influenced me a lot. So now I would like to talk about a teacher who had a significant influence on my education. Her name is Mrs. Garcia, and I met her at Sunshine High School during my 10th grade junior year. Mrs. Garcia was my English teacher, and what made her special was her unwavering dedication to her students. She had a unique teaching style that made learning enjoyable and engaging. Instead of just focusing on textbooks, she incorporated real-life examples and interactive activities into her lessons, which helped me understand complex literary concepts better. One of the most remarkable things about Mrs. Garcia was her approachability. She always made herself available to students, whether it was during class, after school, or even via email. This accessibility made it easy for me to seek guidance and clarification whenever I needed it. What truly stood out about Mrs. Garcia was her genuine interest in her students' success. She took the time to get to know each of us individually, understanding our strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. She believed in my abilities even when I doubted myself, and her encouragement gave me the confidence to strive for excellence. Mrs. Garcia's influence extended beyond the classroom. She instilled in me a love for literature and critical thinking that has stayed with me long after I left high school. Her guidance not only helped me excel academically but also shaped my personal growth and development. In summary, Mrs. Garcia's dedication, approachability, and belief in my capabilities had a profound impact on my education. She inspired me to reach my full potential and instilled in me a lifelong passion for learning. Key words. Mrs. Garcia. English teacher. Dedication. Approachability. Accessibility. Encouragement. Belief in my capabilities. Guidance. Excellence. Passion for learning. Consult for professional tutoring services. WhatsApp +83605555364. Guaranteed success rate.
We will provide you all answer of cue card in next videos. I'm here to assist you in your IELTS preparation using ethical, legitimate, and advanced study methods. Please feel free to enjoy all the videos. Your motivation will encourage me to create more content for IELTS. Don't hesitate to leave comments, so I can further assist you on your IELTS preparation journey. Let's work together to achieve your goals. Kindly like, share, and watch all of my IELTS preparation videos to help you achieve a higher score. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well.